The Willamette River is perfect for canoeing and kayaking. It has over 187 miles of flat water and moving water that is very accessible to a wide range of paddlers. The Willamette Water Trail provides an abundance of access points and information about how to best travel the river. When you're paddling the Willamette or any other waterway, wear a personal flotation device. It's just the right thing to do. As you paddle the Willamette, always scan downstream and look for obstacles that may appear in your path. Chief among these is woody debris. That can be trees extending from the bank or vast collections of trees and root wads. Sometimes if you explore back channels, you've got to unload and carry around the obstacle. So occasionally along the Willamette Water Trail, signs wear out or get shot up a little bit and we have to replace them. This campsite is completely undeveloped, so you need to bring everything you need along with you. And of course, when you leave, take everything out and leave the campsite looking better than you found it. We like to utilize the leave no trace principles along the Willamette Water Trail. Use the Water Trail website or the Water Trail guides, in addition to signage at many campsites, to be sure you're camping on public lands along the Willamette. And here's the tent placed on the island. Found a nice soft spot in the sand. Fantastic view of the side channel. And a view northward, back out toward the main stem of the Willamette River. This is a fantastic campsite. Roughing it on the Willamette Water Trail. In addition to the great paddling along the Willamette, a lot of the water trail campsites work great for exploring. On this island we found all kinds of freshwater mussel shells, and the whole time juvenile bald eagles flew overhead. It was really a great sight. So this is our canoe pretty much ready to go. That dry box toward the stern of the boat will be tied in a little bit better than it is now. But you pretty much want all of your dry bags and other goods secured within the boat so that if you do take an unplanned swim and you turn the boat over, it's not, as one good friend calls it, a garage sale. In addition to using the Water Trail website to plan your trip, the Water Trail also has two guides, one for the upper part of the Willamette River and one for the lower part. They divide roughly in the middle. Other than that, get out there and have fun. Make sure you wear your PFD, make sure you watch out for woody debris, and leave no trace.